Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm Alex, and in today's video I'm gonna unpack that box and guess what's inside. Inside this box is a game changer for the summer shredding 2025. Just look at that. Ooh, that's Ninja Creami. I've got the scissors and let's open it. Ah, my scissors are fucked up. Yep. Be careful, so you don't want to scratch it. Just look, we've got the ice cream recipes and everything, how to use it. Yeah, everything here. Yeah, here we've got 3 of those. We're gonna fill this form and then put it in the freezer. And finally, the machine itself. Oh fuck. Yep. Nothing left here. Yeah. It's time to open it. Tape on the top. What's that? Hey, just look how beautiful that is. I didn't even yet use it, but I'm already feeling it's a game changer because I do like an ice creams, and I was reading all the reviews and almost everyone says what they're using it each and every day. So that's fairly what I needed, and plus I do crave sometimes sweets, and not only sometimes, I'm mostly almost every day really crave the sweet taste, so that will be useful, I think. And let's do 3 ice creams. I already bought filling which I'm gonna use. I will use 2 protein drinks. The one is the vanilla flavor, the second one is chocolate, and the third one is something like raspberries and grenade. Yeah, raspberry grenade flavor. But it's basically the yogurt, but I will freeze it as well, and let's see how the texture will differ from the basic protein shake to the yogurt. In order to test it, I'm gonna do 3 ice creams. I'm gonna start with the base. I will use the vanilla one, vanilla protein drink, then chocolate protein drink, and those 2 yogurts. It's raspberry grenade tastes. We will do everything according to the instruction. We will freeze them for 24 hours, and then we will be able to compare texture because it's different. Those 2 are protein drinks, so they are more like liquid form, and this one is a yogurt. I'm not gonna use xanthan gum for the first time, and later on I will check different recipes, and of course I will add this. But let's see how the texture will taste this time. So we are adding all the ingredients. Shake it well before pouring it inside. Second one is vanilla. I'm using this one from Mercadona. That's so yellow, you might say. And the last one is yogurt, raspberry grenade yogurt. And now it's time to put them in the freezer. Oh, I barely have enough space. Oh, I have to make some space. Here we go. Basically 24 hours is for me, for you is right now. Before doing this ice cream, I was googling how to do it properly. And listen, after you froze those bases, it's looking like a rock in the middle. So you have to scratch it, flat it down, so the surface is flat. And also please freeze it flat and let it unfroze for 10 to 15 minutes, so it's not like completely, it shouldn't be like stone frozen. We will wait another 10 minutes and then we are ready. We are ready to start. Put this bowl inside, so safely install the knives. This one should be in the middle when it's correctly installed. Then close it like that. We are starting. second time now. Just look at that, it's much better now, much more creamy. Like an ice cream now. Texture is very good now, but in order to add some sweetness and flavor, I will use the vanilla. I will put a little bit of that and then a bit of stevia. It won't add much calories, but it will add some taste. And third time, and this time the texture is exactly like ice cream. And the taste is much better now. Now it's beautiful. Now is the chocolate one. Also fairly good. It basically depends on which protein you are using and how good is the quality of your sweetener as well. And the last one is yogurt ice cream, so it might be a little bit different. And the last one from yogurt is ready now. All right. That's closer texture to the real ice cream. But I do like all of them. To sum it up, I've been using this machine for a bit over 1 month, and that's really good. I do like it. I'm using it almost every single day, just because in the evening, if you wanna watch some series and you wanna eat something sweet, then the protein ice cream is like the best choice. I bought it on Amazon, the price was 160 euros, so it's fair price. It was on discount, usually it costs like 200 euros. So if you really like ice cream, then it's definitely for you. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave the comments below if you like my review, if you wanted other vlogs. If you want me to do any kind of video, please leave the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.